pretty, yes.
Is you try to rotate it. What time it are? Oh my God. Not for real.
Very good, man.
He talks so plenty.
All right, so I've said Donald Trump. Now, you would have heard what went on in London again, the third attack since March. So the mayor came out and he was kind of suggesting that you're going to see plenty of police officers, but there's no need to be alarmed. They just want to keep the thing safe. Well, Sir Donald never get that right. So him start cuss off the man and say,
don't need to be alarmed.
Yeah.
7 people dead, 48 injured, and this mayor is saying.
No need to be alarmed. Well, Sir Donald obviously never understand what the man was trying to say.
Read the whole thing.
Yeah.
Whole thing.
So him cuss off the man properly.
But look at J.K. Rowling trolled him. It's called leadership, Donald. The terrorists were dead 8 minutes after police got the call. If we need an alarmist, beep, we'll call. No.
But he just keeps going on.
Yeah, how about, you know, our condolences
Yes, man.
Which he eventually got to about 3 tweets.
Yeah, and then him kind of say, well, that's what I was telling you.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
don't make none of them people come in America. So Donald win. Him does win easy. But 7 dead, 48 wounded. Boy, so London really feeling it right now. So we send out our prayers to them.
But triumph in the face of that, there was a concert you held yesterday in Manchester.
50,000.
Ariana Grande, at whose concert the first bombing occurred. She went back yesterday and she carried a host of her friends with her. Pharrell, Katy Perry was there, Justin Bieber gave a very emotional performance, Black Eyed Peas. I mean, just one bunch of people raising funds for all the victims.
It was brilliant. And
it was fantastic.
And then brave too. I mean, just happened, you just run go back in the city.
And you know, that's what I love
Yeah,
about the UK and the US and nations that are defiant in the face of all the hate and all the hatred. They're saying, you're not gonna win. You're not gonna win, love is gonna prosper. So 50,000 people came out, all the artists, the policemen were out in their numbers. I mean, when you read the stories about what was happening on the bridge, when everybody's running from the bridge, these officers are running into the bridge, some of them armed with not more than a baton. When I heard the story, I thought about what you said about back in the day when police officers never used to carry. I mean,
one got stabbed just because he never had a gun, but apparently he's going to be okay.
But they've held 11 people, they say, so far, and most
12.
of them are women.
12 of them, yeah.
Most of them are women.
Wow.
Anyway.
All right. Time for some greetings here. No, Estelle.
Oh, I was just wondering what you do. Brian.
Estelle.
Haven't heard from her in a while. Love her. She's about to release a full reggae album, and guess who the first single features?
Yeah, Bridget.
Terros Riley.
And
they say it's premiering worldwide today, exclusively on the Gleaner's website. This is a big get, Gleaner. Good done.
Not the album, just the song.
The single.
Okay.
The single. This is going to be fantastic. The Sunday Gleaner asked the established songstress what the motivation was behind focusing on reggae, Afrobeats, and dancehall music, and she responded simply, it's time, perfect time. It's about time.
Yeah.
So the album still don't have no name, but it's going to be released at the end of the summer. Once this dude is on it, man, your corn feel.
Yep.
Corn.
Yeah.
Your corn.
Wonderful.